This is a penguin. Penguins live in some of the coldest places on Earth. Icy, snowy lands called Antarctica. But some penguins live in faraway places like Africa. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. Instead, they use their wings like flippers to swim through the water. Penguins are wonderful swimmers. Penguins love eating fish, squid, and tiny little sea creatures. They dive into the water and swim to catch their food. On land, penguins walk with a funny little waddle. Left, right. Can you try waddle like a penguin? Mama and Daddy penguins both take care of the egg. Can you see the daddy penguin? He's holding the egg on his feet. When the baby penguin hatches, it is fluffy and cute. The penguin family stays close together to keep the baby warm. Penguins are so cute and lovable. Bye bye, little penguins.